This is a complete step-by-step tutorial for stunning 3D braid made exactly for beginners. I'll be sharing some super simple tricks to give you perfectly aligned clean edges. With great close-up angles and crystal clear hand placements, you can easily follow right along. Let's get into it. Start with a high ponytail. For a polished look, wrap a little hair around the elastic. I'll link a quick tutorial for that in the description. Divide your ponytail into 3 equal sections. Take one of the side strands. We're going to make a small hole directly on the side of it, like this. You can clearly see it here from the side angle. Push your fingers through that gap. Grab the middle strand and pull it out. Now the piece that you made a hole in becomes your new middle strand. It's that simple. Let's do the other side. Make a gap right on the side of the strand. Reach in and pull the middle piece out. Now that one is your new middle. Once the braid forms a bit, I'll share what I call the tracing trick for getting perfectly clean edges. So keep watching. Let's do it again. Split the side strand. Pull the middle out. Keep your hands close to the head and pull tight. This tension is what keeps the braid firm so it doesn't loosen up later. Okay, you can really see the pattern now. Let's pause and talk about the tracing trick. Look at the screen for a second. In the braid on the right, the gaps were made randomly, so the edges look messy and uneven. But look at the left, the edges are perfectly straight and really pop out. To get those perfectly clean edges, just imagine a straight line running right down the middle of the side of the braid. Follow that line down. Make your hole exactly on that path and pull the middle strand through. That simple tracing step is the secret to keeping everything perfectly lined up. Let's get into the rhythm. Trace the line, split, and pull. Other side. Trace, split, and pull. Just keep repeating this simple pattern all the way down. When you reach the end, tie it off with a clear elastic. And there you have it, a stunning 3D braid with perfectly aligned edges. If you're a beginner struggling with braiding, I highly recommend checking out my beginner playlist linked below for more crystal clear step-by-step guides. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.